Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clear Snapchat conversation. So what you have to do is firstly open the Snapchat app, and at the bottom you can see many options that are map, chat, explore, stories and spotlight. What you have to do is simply tap on the chat option at the bottom. Now what you have to do is simply open the chat that you want to clear the conversation. I will simply use this one, and at the top left you can see your username as well as the profile icon. Simply tap on the username. Now at the top right corner you can see a three dot option. Simply tap on the three dot option. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the third option, that is chat settings. Now tap on the first option, which is clear from chat feed. An option will show you like this. Are you sure you want to clear this conversation? In order to clear the conversation, what you have to do is simply tap on clear and the conversation will be cleared. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.